Hey everyone, good morning. So today I'm again back with a new topic. The name of the topic is financial statement analysis, which is very important for the commerce student as well as the student who wants to really know about this topic. Today I will make you understand about what is the meaning of the financial statement analysis. If you like my video, then like my channel, subscribe my channel and comments your doubts. I will solve it and I will reply it to fast. Okay, so today's content is that today I'm going to discuss about financial statement analysis. Okay, let's just not waste the time and go for the topic. The name of the topic is financial statement analysis. So financial statement is a mass of complex data in absolute monetary terms and reveal title about the liquidity, solvency and profitability of business. Okay, in financial analysis, the data given in financial statement is classified into simple groups and comparison of various groups is made with one another. So financial statement analysis एक डिफरेंट एनालिसिस है जिसमें आपको ये बताया गया है कि जो भी आपका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स का जो भी आपका आइटम्स होता है उसको डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है एंड उससे क्या होता है हम लोग को कंपैरिजन करने में भी बहुत आसान होता है कंपेयर्स टू फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में क्या था कि आपको वी वेर डूइंग फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में आपको आइटम्स दिया जाता था, वहाँ पे ग्रुप्स बना के नहीं दिए जाते थे. बट इन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस द डाटा गिवन इन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस is classified into simple groups and comparison of various groups is made with each another point. So it's very easy for the for any members to classify what is the financial position of a business to the financial statement analysis. Okay, for instance, if all the items relating to current assets are placed in one group and all the items of current liability are placed on one group, the people can easily can get the information. Okay, अगर current liability का जो भी आइटम्स हो एक ग्रुप में हो, करंट एसेट्स का जो भी आइटम हो एक ग्रुप में हो, तो हम लोग को इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने में बहुत ही आसानी होती है. सो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट का एक ही मीनिंग होता है कि फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इट डज प्रोवाइड as a clear information about the items present in the financial statement. Okay, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस का मतलब ये होता है. सो और उसको दूसरे वर्ड्स में जाना जाए तो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस कंसिस्ट इन सेपरेटिंग फैक्ट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सम डिफाइनेड प्लेन्स. ओके, arranging them in a groups according to the certain circumstances, then presenting them in a convenient easily and understandable form. So in financial statement analysis we come to know about each and every group where we are getting very clear information about our financial statement of a company. I hope you understand what is financial statement analysis. You can like my video, subscribe my video, you can drop your comments. If you have any doubt, then I can I will reply your comments. Okay, so till then take care. I will be next with my new video too. Thank you.